Hi students, 12th Standard Accountancy, CHAPTER-2, Illustration 18. Following is the receipt and payment account of Salem Recreation Club for the year ended 31st March 2019. In the books of Salem Recreation Club, receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2019, what they ask, listen, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date. So they ask to prepare income and expenditure account for the given above information. Okay, they have given here receipt and the payment. From this information we have to prepare the final account, that means receipt, income and the expenditure account and the balance sheet. Okay, so to balance brought down means opening balance of cash in hand. To prepare income and expenditure, we need not enter the opening balance of the cash in hand or cash at bank. Only revenue receipt and revenue expenditure only we are going to enter into the income and expenditure account. Okay, then two subscriptions, two periods are given here, 2019 and 2020. They have given here 31st March 2019 information. So this is the current, we have to take it as the current accounting period. Okay, so 2019 we have to treat it as current accounting period. So 2019 subscription received is the income, and 2020 it's a received in advance for 2019. So received in advance, this goes to where? Liability side in balance sheet. Okay, then two proceeds from entertainment, they have received or they have collected. Proceeds means what? Collected from entertainment is income. Okay, sundry receipt means income. Then furniture is an asset item. Stationery is an they have given only stationery, so we have to consider, we have to treat it, this stationery is a purchases or consumed, which means expenditure. Investment is an asset item. Postage is an expenditure. Balance carried on means closing balance of cash in hand, it will goes to asset side of the balance sheet. Okay, they have given here additional information, that is there are 450 members each paying annual subscriptions of 30 rupees. Stock of stationery on 31st March 2018 300 rupees and 31st March 2019 is 500. So we have to consider 2018 stock means opening stock of the stationery, and 2019 means closing stock of the stationery, 500 rupees. Okay, then capital fund, it goes to liability side. Listen, there are 450 members each paying annual subscription of 30 rupees each. Okay, so they have given the calculation for the subscription for the current year. 450 members, each members paying 30 rupees. Okay, so 30 into 450 you will get 13,500 rupees. But the subscription received in current year how much? 12,500 rupees. After subtracted 12,500 from 13,500, you will get 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees is the outstanding subscription. Okay, so the outstanding subscription will be added in the income, and it will goes to asset side of the balance sheet, right? Okay, now we are going to prepare the income and expenditure account. First write the heading, that is in the books of Salem Recreation Club income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. The format of the income and expenditure is left hand side debtor expenditure and right hand side creditor income. Two amounts column are created on both the side. Okay, first, what's the format of the income and the expenditure on debtor side? Listen, on consumption, they have given here, if they given sports material consumed or stationery, to stationery consumed. According to this sum illustration 18, they have given here stationery related item, so we have to write to stationery consumed. Okay, then opening stock plus purchases during the current year minus closing stock. This is the format for the income and expenditure account on debtor side. Okay, So let's start with the heading, that is to stationery consumed or purchased. They have given here stationery purchases 2400 rupees. Okay, we have to enter. Then we have to, as per the format, we have to add the opening stock 300 rupees. They have given here the additional information. Opening stock of the stationery 31st March 2018 is 300 rupees. Okay, so we entered here. After added, you will get 2700. Then we have to subtract closing stock as per the format. Okay, so closing stock of the stationery is 500 rupees. So we have to subtract a closing stock from 2700. You will get 2200 rupees. Then this closing stock will appear on asset side also. Okay, then postage, as per the format, all the expenditure item will be entered into expenditure side. Okay, so postage only 1000 rupees. We have to enter it on expenses side. Okay, to postage 1000 rupees entered. Then on income side, by subscription received during the current year, how much rupees? 12,500 rupees. On 2019, 12,500 we received subscription. Okay, 12,500 entered. Then after added outstanding subscription 1000 rupees, you will get 13,500 rupees. Then proceed from entertainment 12,000 rupees and sundry receipts 500 rupees entered. Then you will get the total on income side, that means credit side 26,000 rupees. Okay, if you get the total on credit side, you will get the surplus on debit side to 22,800 rupees. You have to write against 22,800 to excess of income over expenditure surplus. Then this surplus account 22,800 rupees will added with capital fund on liability side of the balance sheet. Now we are going to prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Format is liabilities to amount column and asset rupees. Okay, we always started with the liability side, is easy for you. Capital fund. In additional information, they have given the capital fund as on 31st April 2018 was 9,300 rupees. We have to added the surplus value, how much rupees? 22,800 with the capital fund. Capital fund 9,300 added excess of income over expenditure, that means surplus 22,800, you will get 32,100 rupees. And subscription received in advance always as per the format appears on liability side. So subscription received in advance 2020 400 rupees for current accounting period, it will be appear on liability side. So we entered subscription received in advance 400 rupees on liability side. On asset side, furniture 15,000, investment 12,500 and subscription outstanding 1,000 rupees. Closing stock of the stationery 500, cash in hand, closing balance of the cash in hand will appear on the asset side. So cash in hand 3,500 rupees. Then we get the equal total on both and the asset side, that is 32,500 rupees on both asset and the liability side. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care.